In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Notion to Make, formerly known as Integromat. Whether you're looking to streamline your workflows or integrate data effortlessly between platforms, this guide will walk you through every step of the way. So let's dive in and get started. To begin, open your Notion workspace. On the left sidebar, you'll see the option labeled Settings and Members. Clicking on this is your first step towards setting up a robust connection. It's important to note that this section not only allows you to manage your workspace settings, but also serves as the gateway for new integrations and connections. Once you're in the Settings and Members section, look for the Connections option. Some users might see this as Develop and Manage Integrations, depending on their version. This is essentially the hub for linking Notion to other applications, and Make is one of those powerful tools you can connect. Within this section, you're going to click on the button that says New Integration. This will allow you to create a fresh link between Notion and Make. Now that you've clicked New Integration, it's time to give your connection a name. Think of something that reflects its purpose, such as Make.com connection. Naming it appropriately helps keep your workspace organized and ensures that you easily identify this integration among others. After naming it, you'll see a drop-down to select the associated workspace. If you manage multiple workspaces, make sure you select the one that's relevant to this connection. Once you've double-checked all these details, go ahead and click Submit. This final step, clicking Submit, sets your integration in motion. What you've just done is establish a bridge between Notion and Make, allowing the two platforms to communicate effortlessly. This setup is a foundational step, paving the way for effective automation and streamlined processes in the future. It's worth reiterating the power behind this integration. By linking Notion to Make, you're unlocking a host of possibilities ranging from task automation to complex data workflows that make life easier. It's not just about connecting two platforms, it's about enhancing your productivity and making sure that your tools serve you in the best possible way. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to connecting Notion to Make. I hope you found this walkthrough clear and easy to follow. Remember, the key to successful integrations is attention to detail in each step, which ensures everything runs smoothly. Feel free to revisit these steps if needed as you become more comfortable with the process. Thanks for watching, and see you next time for more handy guides just like this one.